Hi everyone! So Jackson's sent out an email yesterday to announce early Black Friday deals. I'll leave a link down below if you'd like to skip watching this and go straight to shopping. Apart from the Black Friday deals, I noticed most watercolor sets are on sale as well, with the exception of Daniel Smith and some other select sets. Since I haven't posted a holiday gift guide video, I thought I might take this opportunity to point out some products that I think would make great gifts for your loved ones or even yourself. Because I'm not much of a big spender, the products I'll be highlighting today will be $30 or under, with the exception of a few items, of course. Let's get started, shall we? So first up, this page here is where all the Black Friday deals are. First thing you see is the new colorful Schmincke palette. If you're new to the watercolor scene, Schmincke usually releases these colorful palettes once a year during the holiday seasons. So if you like collecting limited edition products, or if you just like colorful palettes, you might want to act fast, because if it's anything like previous years, these are a hot commodity. This next one is a set of Sennelier La Petite Aquarelle. At just under $10, you get a really good travel set, or it can even be a stocking filler for a price this low. I'm actually quite tempted to get this one for myself, and I really like that there's plenty of mixing space. So those are the two products from the Black Friday deals. I'm going to move to the regular watercolor sets now. As you can see, so many brands are on sale, so do take some time to browse for yourself. You might find a gem or two. I've mentioned this in the past before, but this Sennelier set of 6 would make an absolutely great gift for a beginner. It comes with a split primary color palette, which means you get a cool and warm version of yellow, red, and blue. It's perfect for gifting to a beginner to learn color mixing. Or if you wanted to upgrade to artist-grade watercolors, this set will last you for a long time. Moving on to some shimmery, glittery paints, all of the Coliro palettes are priced at around $20. Depending on what your preference is, they're bound to have a set for you. I believe the most popular set is this gold and silver set, where you get a variety of shades of gold and a silver, which is ideal for adding that extra wow factor to your artwork. For those of you who might think $20 is a bit much for 6 colors, well, then take a look at this Kuretake Starry Colors set. I've seen online reviews and the colors match the Coliro set, but this Kuretake set is half the price. While we're on the topic of Kuretake, most of their sets are actually under $30. Like this set of 18 colors is currently $22. I think this one could be one of those gifts where you don't want to spend a whole lot, but the size of the gift looks large enough for people to think you spent more than you did. That's all I have to highlight for you today. I don't know if Jackson's will be rolling out more Black Friday deals throughout the next couple days or not, but if I see anything, I'll update you through my community tab. As always, I'd like to thank everyone who has used and/or have continuously been using my affiliate links. I just wanted to say thank you so much for your kindness. And for those who would like to support this channel, I'd really appreciate it if you would consider using my affiliate links below. Thank you! Before I go, I also want to tell you that I intend to do a summary of these Jackson's sales, basically letting you know what I've learned throughout this year of doing these Jackson's sales videos. I was thinking about waiting to see after the new year and possibly put out a video around mid to late January. What do you think? Does that sound like a good idea? Alright, well, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.